Good morning, students. Today we'll start with part 2 of chapter 2. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Written by Gordon Cook and Alan Est. Welcome to TSN English class. Suddenly, the front hatch was thrown open and Mary appeared. We are sinking, she screamed. The decks are smashed, we are full of water. Suddenly means अचानक से उसकी wife Mary she comes through that hatch means there is a door on the floor of the ship, so through that door his wife appeared in front of him and she's screaming, she is making a loud voice and she told him that we are sinking, hum डूब rahe hain, the decks are smashed, we are full of water. And she also mentioned him that the decks were fully smashed, पूरी तरह decks जो हैं destroy हो गए हैं and we are full of water and the whole ship is covered with water. Take the wheel, I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Now he's the narrator of the story. He tried to shout it on his wife, and why he shouted? Because he want his wife to hold the steering of that particular ship so that she can handle or she can make that ship in balance. Larry and Herb were pumping like madmen. Broken timbers hung at crazy angles. The whole starboard side bulged inwards. Clothes, crockery, chart, tin, and toys sloshed about in deep water. Larry and Herb are those men who are very experienced in these trips. So they are trying or they are pumping like a madman so that they can overcome with that water. Broken timbers hung at crazy angles, and some broken pieces of wood. They all are पूरी तरह इधर उधर बिखर गए थे अलग अलग एंगल्स में पूरी शिप पे. द होल स्टारबोर्ड इज़ द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द शिप विच इज़ पुल्ड इनवर्ड, जो कि पूरी तरह नीचे की तरफ धंस गया था. दैट इज मीन्स द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द शिप इज़ पुल्ड इनवर्ड, पूरी तरह नीचे धंस गया था. और एंड द क्लोथ्स, क्रॉकरी एंड चार्ट्स एंड टिन्स एंड टॉयज ऑफ देयर चिल्ड्रन दे आर स्लॉश्ड अबाउट मीन्स वो सब इधर उधर बह रहे थे इन the sea, because the ship is full of water. I half swam, half crawled into the children's cabin. Are you all right? I asked. Yes, they answered from an upper bunk. Now the narrator of the story, he swam, half away he swam and in half away he crawled. वो रेंग कर गया so that he can making himself sure about that his children are all right. And he asked him for their well-being so that he knows that his children are fine. So he asked them that, are you okay, my dear children? And the children replied, yes father, we are okay. And they are saying all these things from the upper bunk is a place where children can sleep in the ship, so it is kind of a sleeping room in the ship. After finding a hammer, screw, and canvas, I struggled back on deck with the starboard side bashed open. We were taking water with each other wave that broken over us. If I could not make some repairs, we would surely sink. Here in these lines, after returning from their children's room, from his children's room, he's saying that he's collecting some kind of tools in his hand. That is a hammer, screw, and canvas. Canvas is a thick cloth. So he struggled through that whole way and coming back on the deck, the narrator of the story, with the starboard side bashed open. And what he's saying that जो starboard side is the right hand side of the ship that is bashed open. That means that side of the ship is fully broken or fully that is not properly in proper condition, I can say. We were talking with each other, wave that broke over us, and they are talking about the waves that broke over them. That is, जो waves हैं वो पूरी तरह उनकी शिप में आकर घुस गई थी, इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स थी. So it is impossible for narrator to repair the ship, and now he's thinking that he would surely, or they, all the ship members would surely sink, सभी लोग डूब जाएंगे, because it is impossible to repair the ship. Somehow I managed to stretch canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes. Some water continued to stream below, but most of it was now being deflected over the side. Now he's talking about some kind of that now he is managing something in the ship, and that is the hatch means the door on the floor of the ship. So he is trying to manage to cover that door with this thick piece of cloth, canvas cloth, so that hatch would be for making him waterproof, because there are some gaps or some holes in over there. उस hatch के आसपास कुछ gaps और holes थे, so he is trying to fill those gaps with that canvas cloth. Some water continued to stream below, but still some water is coming in the sea area, in the ship area, but most of it was now being deflected over the side. But ज़्यादातर वाटर को उन्होंने डिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया था. डिफ्लेक्ट मीन्स उन्होंने दूसरी तरफ मोड़ दिया था. दैट मीन्स डिफ्लेक्ट मीन्स पानी को दूसरी तरफ बहा देना या उसका बहाव दूसरी तरफ कर देना. मोर प्रॉब्लम अरोज व्हेन आवर हैंड पम्प्स स्टार्टेड टू ब्लॉक अप विथ the debris floating around the cabins, and the electric pump short circuited. The water level rose threateningly back on the deck. I found that our 2 spare hand pumps had been rent overboard, along with the forestay-sail, the zip, the dinghies, and the main anchor. Now he's talking about the ship and the more problems they are facing. So he's saying that more the problems, again some more problems are creating on the ship when our hand pumps started to block. जिन हैंड पंप से वो पुश करके और पंप करके शिप का पानी बाहर निकाल रहे थे, दोज हैंड पम्प्स आर ब्लॉक. एंड वाई दे ब्लॉक? दे आर ब्लॉकिंग विद द डेब्रिस इज कूड़ा, जो कचरा होता है शिप में, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेब्रिस. उस डेब्रिस जो है, क्योंकि वो डेब्रिस इज़ फ्लोटिंग, तैर रहा था वो शिप पे, सो दैट is the main reason for the blockage of the hand pumps around the cabins. The electric pump short circuited. Ship में जो electric pumps थे, due to that water, they also short circuited. The water level rose threateningly. पानी का लेवल जो है that is very challenging for them. Threateningly means very challenging situation for them, because the water level rose again and again. Back on deck, I found that our 2 spare hand pumps had been wrenched overboard. When he came back from the deck, he found some 2 spare hand pumps. जो उनके पास spare means अलग से रखे हुए थे या खाली पड़े हुए hand pumps थे. He found those hand pumps and he has been wrenched over the boards. So he's trying to wrench over the board. He's coming over there. He's trying to overcome through that water which is on their ship, along with forestay-sail, the zip, the dinghies, and the main anchor. So he's trying to say here that जो छोटी नाव थी, या जो उनके पास बड़ा सा बादबान था, यानी शिप का आगे वाला बड़ा बादबान, छोटी नाव और जो जहाज़ की चौड़ाई में लगी लकड़ियों के फ्रेम थे, ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू मेंटेन ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड द एंकर्स ऑफ द शिप. व्हाट आर द सो ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू मैनेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स सो दैट ही कैन. और एंकर्स आर अलमारियों के कुछ छोटे टुकड़े उनके पास थे, इस तरह के उनके पास लंबाई के फ्रेम्स वगैरह सब कुछ थे. सो ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू मैनेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Then I remembered we had anchored another electric pump under the chart room floor. I connected it to an out pipe and was thankful to find that it worked. Then he suddenly remembered that they have something with them. And what is that? Some electric pumps. And he made himself that in under the chart room there is a room in the ship which is called the chart room. So he's thinking about that room, and he is thinking, if I connect these electric pumps in this chart room, then I can surely made some water out of the ship. So he connect those electric pumps or pipes through that chart room and was thankful, and he feels very relaxed when he saw that these chart rooms or these electric pipes will worked out, and due to those with the help of due to those electric pipe, the water is going away through that ship. The night dragged on with an endless, bitterly cold routine of pumping, stirring, and working the radio. And their whole night is busy with what? उनकी पूरी नाइट जो है वो इसी एंडलेस मीन्स और नीरस, पूरी प्रक्रिया जो एंडलेस है चलती ही जा रही थी, एंड बिटरली कोल्ड रूटीन, और उनका जो ये बुरी तरह से उनकी जो ये रूटीन था ऑफ पंपिंग, स्टेयरिंग एंड वर्किंग ऑन द रेडियो सो दैट दे कैन ओवरकम थ्रू द सिचुएशन. We were getting no replies of our mayday calls, and there are no mayday calls. Mayday calls, so they are not getting any kind of reply. Mayday calls is जब हम ऐसी किसी situation में होते हैं and we are trying to connect it with somebody so that he can help, and we are trying to messaging some people who try to help us, so they are not getting any kind of reply of those mayday calls, which was not surprising in this remote corner of the world. And at the same time they are not surprised with that there are no replies, because they know that कि they are in the remote means वो ऐसे एरिया में थे जहाँ तक मदद पहुँच पाना इज़ लाइक नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. सो वो ऐसे वर्ल्ड के ऐसे रिमोट एरिया में थे दैट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल फॉर पीपल टू गिव देम हेल्प. Sue had swollen alarmingly. She had two enormous black eyes, and now she showed a deep cut on her arm. Now he's talking about his daughter, that is Suzanne, and she is his hand is swollen alarmingly, means उसका जो सर के ऊपर जो चोट लगी थी that is swollen alarmingly, and some black and blues type of patches are over there. She had two enormous black eyes, and उसकी जो आँखें थी they become dark due to that swelling, and now she showed up a deep cut on her arm, and again she is showing there is a deep cut on her arm. When I asked her why she did not made more of her injuries before this, then narrator ने उससे पूछा कि my dear daughter Sue, why didn't you tell us about all these things before? पहले आपने क्यों नहीं बताया? Then she replied, I did not want to worry you when you were trying to save us all. Then how she is like the daughter who is very responsible, and she don't want to disturb her parents because they are saving their lives. By morning on 3rd January, the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest in rotation, but we still had a tremendous leak somewhere below the water, and on checking I found that nearly all the boats. By morning on 3rd January, now he's talking about the day of 3rd January. On the day, the pumps had the water level sufficient under control for us. Now the situation is under control, because with the help of those pumps, the water level is that much in the ship that they can control that water level. So for us, the 2 hours rest and rotation. Now they decide that after every 2 hours, 2 or 3 people are pumping on that particular water level, so that the water will not reach too high, and two or 1 people will take rest of 2 hours, because they are not taking rest for an hours, because they are working for this water level to make low, rest in rotation. So this decide that after every 2 hours they will rest in rotation or turn by turn, but still had a tremendous leak somewhere below. But still he sees that there is somewhere around tremendous, भयानक तरीके से कहीं पे लीक हो रहा है बिलो द वाटर लाइन। जैसे उसने देखा तो जहाज की जो जल रेखा, वाटर लाइन इस जल रेखा के नीचे उसने देखा, सो ही फेल्ट दैट देयर इज अ लीक। ऑन चेकिंग आई फाउंड दैट नियरली ऑल द boat, and after checking he found that nearly all the boats is leaking, कि जहाज़ की जो लकड़ियाँ हैं वहाँ लीक हो रहा है। मेन रिब फ्रेम्स वर स्मैश्ड डाउन to the keel. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of starboard hull except a few cupboards partition. Now he is talking about that the leakage. The main rib frames were smashed down. All the ribs frames means he is talking about जहाज़ की चौड़ाई में लगी जितनी लकड़ियाँ थी, they all are broken down. Smashed down mean broken down. And they are broken down that we can't help it. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of starboard. And now he is telling us the situation कि जहाज़ की जो starboard side थी, that is the right hand side of the ship, that is whole ship, this whole right hand side is like in the stage of कि वहाँ खाली हो गया था कुछ, और जितनी भी अलमारियाँ थी उन्होंने उसके स्टारबोर्ड्स के कुछ कवर्ड पार्टीशंस को जोड़ के उसको स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश करी। दैट इज़ द होल थिंग। सो ही इज़ यूजिंग दोट कवर्ड पार्टीशंस टू मेक दैट होल starboard sections to be fully covered over there.